To find your mileage on the Dasher app, first, open the app and navigate to the Earnings tab, typically found at the bottom. From there, look for options labeled Mileage or Trip History. The wording may slightly vary by region. Here you'll see summaries of your mileage, often broken down by day, week, month, or a custom date range. Each trip entry includes essential details such as start and end times, distance covered, and associated earnings. The app automatically logs each delivery run using GPS, provided location permissions are enabled. For trips not automatically logged, such as driving to pick up orders, you can manually add them using the Add Mileage feature, inputting the distance and purpose to categorize it as business or personal. The Dasher app calculates two key metrics for earnings per mile. Gross earnings per mile is simply your total pay divided by the miles driven. For example, if you earn $50 for 20 miles, that's $2.50 per mile. Net take-home per mile deducts estimated vehicle costs from your earnings. Using DoorDash's reimbursement rate of 35 cents to 65 cents per mile in the US, based on IRS standard rates, the net might be $1.85 per mile after deductions. To export your mileage data, navigate to the mileage section within the app and tap Export Report. You'll have options to export in CSV format for spreadsheets or PDF for printing. These exports include trip details, total miles, earnings breakdowns, and tax hints such as deduction rates per mile. Here's an example of how the data might look in a spreadsheet. Remember to cross-reference your app data with odometer readings and consult a tax professional for accurate tax reporting.